In this video, I'm going to show you how to reveal a logo with a nice animation in PowerPoint. Please have a look. This effect can be done very easily, and even maybe 2 minutes you can complete this. Let me show you how to do it. Now let me add a new slide where I can show you the animation. First of all, I need to create some shapes inserting a circle, and then always shift and drag will help you to keep the aspect ratio proper. And then I'm adding another shape, that is a rectangle, and with the help of the guides I'm just aligning it. You can see the dotted line is appearing in the middle, which is helping me to align the the shape, rectangle and the circle together. So now selecting both the shapes and go to the format and merge shapes and fragment. With this option, the fragment option, I can remove the pieces of the shape, whatever I don't require, and keep rest. Selecting both and removing the shape outline. Now half of the circle I'm converting into a white shape, and then I'm just making this transparent. Now I need to group both. I'm just selecting it and then group both. Now this helps me to rotate this half circle the way I require. The same concept what I discussed in other videos about changing the anchor point of a shape. So you can refer other videos. Last week I published. Now let me create one nice logo. Insert, select a circle and shift drag so that I'll get the shape. Same logo I'm creating, and you can understand how easy to create any logo in PowerPoint in a best way. So I'm selecting another shape, that is a rectangle, and then keep on the top, and then Control D and keep the rectangle in the down. Select all the three shapes and go to merge and fragment. Now I can remove the pieces what I don't want and keep rest. Now let me change the shape outline to null. The above shape, the color is something, and maybe green, maybe this is blue, and this is maybe red. What I can do is I'm just displacing it. That's all. Now I can group these three guys, right click and group them. Shift and drag down so that it will become smaller. Keep it here. Now I can add a text. So logo text or something, my logo, whatever it is. I'm just adding a text logo. And I'm using a bold text, that is Arial black. Making the text small. I think that's fine. Now I need to change the layers. So currently the circle, half circle layer is in the down, and the logo and other layers are on the top. So I need to arrange them. So I have to go to the Home tab, Arrange, and then go to Selection pane. There the group 7 is actually in the down. Take it up and keep it up. So that this, when I rotate this, you can see that the logo is actually getting hidden. Now I need to start the animation. The animation will be, first I need to rotate it. Just go to animation and add animation and spin. Absolutely, this is 360 degrees and that is what I require. But the logo, which is outside, so I'll do one thing. I'll just keep this, the top shape, little aside and select this. I need to first group them. Right click and then group them so that it will become one shape. Now I use fade option, so it's coming slowly. Let me keep it again in the right place. Now let me go to the animation pane, and then this anyway will be with a click, the group 7, that is this rotation will happen with a click. but the second one should happen along with the above shape, but it has to be delayed. And let it happen a little slow, and this should happen in the middle. So when I see the animation, this half circle is rotating. The moment the rotation completes, the logo is getting revealed. So that way you can create many more options. For example, I'll just quickly create one more animation. Just copy and paste here. Maybe I'll remove the animation for it and keeping it like this. Let me make it a bit small and then keep it here. Let me add a number. So here I'm showing you another option how to reveal a number for your agenda points. So I'm just adding one and let me keep this here. So these are my agenda points. So like that, let me just Control D, add it here, Control D, that is all. So let me select all these three and let me add the animation called spin, and I need to send them back. So right click and send back. Now when I rotate, the number is getting hidden. Now the animation need to be done one by one. So let me select one. Since it is in the down, I need to keep it aside, otherwise I can change that position of the layer based on the selection pane. But anyway, I'm using this option and I'm fading it. The fade is need to happen along with the previous, and that has to be group 2, but it has to happen from the middle, so that the revealing of this thing need to happen slowly. Let me keep it here, let me keep this here. Now this is actually 2 and this is actually 3. Select this option, select 2 and add animation is fade, and it has to be after the group 6 and it has to be along with previous. This has to be in the middle and a bit more. The same way I need to select 3, animation, fade, and it has to be along with the previous and should be in the middle. Now let me keep this aligned. Now let me check. So this has to happen on a click and this has to happen on a click. Now 1, 2, 3. Hope you like this, and this is very useful for your agenda slides or logo reveal and any other exciting thing you wanted to show to your audience. This will be very useful, and please practice. And if you have any doubts, please let me know your doubts to the comment section so that I can answer your questions. And please share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you'll be getting more updates as and when I upload a video. Thank you very much.